Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Last night I prepared lemon shrimp orzo with asparagus. Like I said yesterday, I had to rewrite this recipe, and I still need to tweak it just a bit. It's very good. The combination of the wonderful lemon with the basil on the end and the fresh basil. The butter, it's really good. This I will post up. I'm not cooking tonight. Robin is in Sacramento. She actually left a little while after dinner last night. She's helping with her training for the next couple days. But she's in Sacramento, not Oakland. So tonight I'm having, probably my lunch will be leftovers from last night, the lemon shrimp orzo. And then tonight's dinner will be the leftover Werner's meatballs. Yeah. I told Robin, do not take the Werner's meatballs to work. She promised me. So yesterday, I mentioned it was the first time I was using Nob Hill's pink shrimp. It is pink. It is. You have to clean it. It's completely. There's no heads, but you have to clean. It needs to be fully cleaned, detailed, and all that. Whereas the other frozen shrimp I get from the Bel Air Rayleigh's Corp, different brand. They're at least split down the back, and the track is removed. But these you have to, and they are pink. So because most of you are pretty smart. When you cook shrimp, they curl with the heat. That is how you know they're done, because they're already pink. Yeah. Oops. So tomorrow I am preparing one of Robin's favorite dinners: butter chicken. Yeah, a traditional Indian dish. Yeah, I'm actually going to go to my favorite Indian store, LA Market, and get some naan. Yeah. All right. On this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.